So I've been messing around with this idea. Can AI actually predict what's going to happen next in the Forex market, not just guesswork or random indicators? I'm talking about real setups based on structure, price, action, and smart logic. Before you jump in and try this out yourself, there's something important you need to know. Because it's not just about the trades. There's also risk, limitations, and a disclaimer I really want you to hear before you go copy-pasting anything. So yeah, stick around till the end. Trust me, it's worth it. Okay, I'm not going to test this in real time. Instead, I'm going to backtest using AI. That way, we can run through multiple trades and actually see if this thing makes sense or not. For this, I'm using a site called Go Charting, which is completely free, and you can replay and backtest as many times as you want, no limitations. Okay, let's start with Euro versus USD. Let me open it up real quick. Alright, here we go. Now let's find a clean point to start from. Okay, I think this break right here looks good. Let's use this. Now, just take a screenshot, but make sure you cover enough of the chart before the break. AI needs the past data to understand the market structure properly. Alright, now open ChatGPT and just upload the screenshot of the chart and enter the prompt you see in the screen right now. You'll just need to replace the pair name and time frame with your own. And that's it. Hit enter. And now, watch what it gives you. It'll break down the whole chart using smart money concepts and even suggest an entry, stop loss, and take profit. And yep, as I expected, it's recommending a buy setup. Anyway, here's what the AI gave me. Entry at the current market level, stop loss at 115.73 and take profit at 117.05. Let's go ahead and mark those levels on the chart and enter the trade. Now let's just hit play and see what happens. Okay, look at that. Price moves exactly as predicted, hits our TP, and just keeps pushing up. That's actually kinda wild, right? I mean, the AI literally read the structure and nailed the move. That's really cool. Alright, so while I was scanning the chart a bit more, I spotted another high volatility area in EURUSD. Looked interesting. So I took a fresh screenshot, uploaded it into ChatGPT again, but this time I tried a slightly different approach. I asked it to give me 2 entry points, one if the market continues the trend and one in case it reverses. ChatGPT came back with 2 clear zones, a buy setup if the trend keeps going, and a sell setup if it flips the other way. Let me mark those on the chart real quick. Alright, we've got both zones in place now. Let's see which one gets triggered first. Okay, and there it is. Market taps right into our sell side zone first. So we're entering short from here with a stop loss at 116.75 and take profit at 115.75. And boom, there it goes, straight into our TP zone. That's 2 out of 2. This AI is starting to act like a proper trading buddy now. Wait, also I found another high volatility zone and decided to test it. ChatGPT gave me 2 entry points, so I went ahead and marked both zones. One for a buy, one for a sell, and then waited to see which one the market would hit first. And guess what? It tapped into the sell zone first. So I entered short with a stop loss at 1.1762 and take profit at 1.16885. But yeah, this time the market had other plans. It blew past our stop loss and just kept moving up like the sell zone didn't even exist. So yeah, it's a good reminder. No matter how smart the AI is, the market is still unpredictable. You're not going to win every setup, but that's trading, right? Risk comes with the territory. What matters is how you manage it. Alright, let's run the same test on gold versus USD. I found a pretty volatile spot on the chart, took a screenshot, and uploaded it to ChatGPT. And just like before, it gave me two zones, one for a potential sell and one for a buy if the trend flipped. I marked both zones on the charts with a line, watch the chart, and it ends up hitting the sell zone first, right around 32.70, so I took the entry there with a stop loss at 32.78 and take profit at 32.30. Let's see how this one plays out. That one didn't go well. It stopped me out real quick and just kept pushing up with zero hesitation. That's the thing with gold, super volatile, and sometimes it just doesn't respect your zones at all. So just to make things easier for you, here are the two exact prompts I used. You'll also find both of them on my WhatsApp channel if you want to copy-paste them directly. I've tested these on a bunch of pairs, like JPY USD, USD CAD, and a few others. And honestly, the second prompt gave me the cleanest results. So yeah, if you're trying this out yourself, I definitely recommend using the second one. Just be patient, wait for the right zone, and don't rush your entry. So here's my take after testing ChatGPT with all these setups. It actually does a pretty solid job, especially when the market is either trending or setting up for a clean reversal. But the moment you get those sudden spikes, like news candles, those big random bullish or bearish moves, yeah, that's where AI struggles. It just can't predict that kind of chaos. And again, this was all backtesting. If I ran the same setups live, the results could be totally different. If you guys want me to try this in real-time trading, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make a full video on that too. Alright, before I wrap this up, I just want to be super clear about something. AI is cool, and yeah, it can help, but don't depend on it completely. If AI could predict market moves perfectly, every trader out there would be profitable, and we know that's not the case. Use it as just an extra confirmation, like 5–10% on top of your own strategy. Not a shortcut, not a replacement. Trading comes with risk, big risk, and AI can't protect you from that. So learn the basics, manage your risk, and trade smart. Alright, that's it for me. See you in the next one.